In this video, I'm going to talk about the best Forex Indicator 2022 that we have launched a few days ago. Okay guys, this is the new version and I'm going to show you the signals from the new version so that you can understand that how this works. So I'm on a currently USDJPY 15 minute and all of my pairs are on 15 minute at the moment. So I can show you that how it is performing even on the lower time frames. So here we had a buy crossover and you can see the market is straight up. Okay guys, so this indicator does not repaint. So all you need to take care of one thing. So for example, once the buy signal comes, so this is the 15-minute chart. So definitely you have to wait for 15-minute chart so that you can enter into the trade and you will see this signal will start get blinking. Once the signal start blinking, you can simply enter into the trade and it does not change the signal. It does not repaint in any case. If we talk about the previous signal on USDJPY, that was a big sell and this buy was not satisfied. So guys, if you have any losing trade with this indicator, then you have to cut that position on the next crossover and then enter into the next crossover that is happening. Look, for example, let's say if you have hold that buy position, so it was massively down, so it can simply blow your account. So definitely you are going to take another sell position and you have to cut your buy position and you can see the market was swiftly down. I myself profited from USDJPY by 15 minute and that was a very good signal. Let me take you towards another chart, USDCHF. So guys, if you look at here, the last signal that we have received is the buy and you can see still a market is into the upward momentum and it does not show you random signals because this is the best version that we have launched. And the previous signal was sell, massively down, the previous was buy and this sell was somehow satisfied but not for the longer period of time. So guys, let me take you towards EuroJPY. So right now you can see my personal trade is also active on EuroJPY because I'm using the expert advisor of this indicator. Okay, so this indicator is already automated. I mean, if you want to go for the automated version, then we also have this. So you can see my buy is triggered on EuroJPY and you can see on a 15-minute chart the market is already pumping up. So I am holding my trade. Okay, so what will be the stop loss in case of expert advisor? When the next crossover will happen into sell, this will be the I will close my trade on that whatever the loss and profit. So if it goes up, then I have the option to manually close my trade or let the EA close the trade on the next crossover. AUDJPY, so guys, you can see my trade is triggered and I'm into buy on AUDJPY and the market is into the upward momentum. So you know, today it's Monday, the markets are a bit slow, so definitely tomorrow I'm looking for the market to get the upward momentum. CHF JPY, so if I show you my chart, then guys, you can see that on CHF JPY my buy trade is triggered and the market is already above it and I'm already in a profit. So if we talk about the previous signal, that was big sell, and if we go further back, that was big buy and that was big sell. So overall, this indicator is not comparable with any indicator available on the web for MT4. This is the best ever indicator that I can say, and this is the best one. Okay, let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, my buy is triggered from here and right now the market is bit down and hopefully it will recover because this indicator tells you about the long trends. So on 15 minutes, you can see this was the sell crossover and it was a very long downtrend. So this indicator normally gives you very good trending results. Okay, NZD JPY, if you look at here, the sell crossover, the market is way down and maybe the next crossover will happen. Okay, NZD USD, if we talk about the last signal, that was sell, and if we talk about the previous signal, that was buy and it was strongly up. Okay, so you guys, you can do scalping on 5 minute as well with this indicator. This indicator is very, very powerful. Okay, let's talk about Eurocad. It's a sell signal and you can see the market is down and that was the buy signal, the market is up. So guys, if we talk about the rest of indicators that are available on web, they give you very random signals and they give you losses. So this is not the case with this indicator. This is very, very profitable, of course. Okay, so Aud Cad Sell Signal, look, the market is way down and following the downtrend. Great Britain Pound Cad JPY. Now guys, look at this. This is the live example. If you look at my chart, my buy was triggered on this crossover by the EA. I am using this expert advisor and you can see my trade is already in profit because I'm far from this buy position, and I have still not closed my trade because I am expecting that the market can go further high. So I have both choices. I can let the indicator, let the EA that can close my trade on a profit, or I can close it manually by going into my trading box. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the gold 15 minutes. So guys, right now if you look at here, what's happening, my buy is triggered at the moment. So guys, here I have taken a manual trade. That's why you can see that here we do not have a crossover, because this trade is based on the 1 minute chart. If I show you the 1 minute chart, then you can see that I have received the buy signal. I have taken my trade, I am into it at the moment, and on the 15 minute I have set up it to expert advisor. Okay, so after some time my trade will go positive, and you can see the market is already pumping up, and I have used the lot size 0.20 on this trade. So for scalping you can choose 1 minute, 5 minute and 15 minute gold. Okay, so I am into buy at the moment based on the 1 minute chart, not the 15 minute chart, because when the crossover will happen on 15 minute, then automatically the expert advisor will take my trade. Let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, sell signal, it is completely down, so it is not going to give you random signals to to blow your account. So that's the best thing, because it is protecting your account. Okay, the next one, USD Cad. Okay guys, if you look at here, I have an active sell position on USD Cad, and you can see the sell position was triggered by EA, and then it turns, and now look, it looks like that the market has to go into the downward direction, and you can see the market is reversed. Okay, so if you have you do not choose a lot size which is very high on 15 minute. Always go with the reasonable lot size, so that if the market goes against you for the shorter period of time, then it still has a chance to go back. Now you can see the market was rejected from here, and it's now pumping down. Okay, Great Britain Pound Cad, and you can see my sell is active at the moment, and you can see the sell was triggered here, and I am already in profit on this trade, and this trade was also taken by the expert advisor. So guys, you have both chances. Like if you want to trade the manually with the indicator, that is fine. We have licenses from lifetime to even 1 month package as well, and you can buy the packages, that's not a problem. Okay, Euro USD, you can see sell on 15 minutes and it's down. Euro CHF sell is running and it's down. Okay, NZD CHF, you can see it's the sell signal, the market is way down. So you can see the accuracy, which is not given by any indicator on the web, because this indicator is very, very powerful. Okay, if we talk about AUD, NZD, it looks like the moving averages are very close to each other. So maybe the next will be the buy signal on AUD, NZD. AUD CHF sell crossover, the market is down. Okay, Euro AUD, look at this trade, because the buy signal, the market is up. Okay, so my EA is already triggered on that one. So whenever there will be a crossover after 15 minutes, the EA will take the trade. Okay, Euro NZD 15 minute, look, buy crossover, the market is up. Great Britain Pound CHF sell crossover, the market is down. Okay, Great Britain Pound AUD, look guys, I have a sell position that was taken by the EA, and right now the market just reversed little bit, so hopefully it will be back, and then I will be back into the profit. Okay, the next one, Great Britain Pound NZD, already a buy crossover, it's up. AUD Great Britain Pound. Okay, so guys, my buy is running at the moment. If you look at here, then my buy was triggered here, just market is reversed, so don't worry, the market will pump up again, because you can see that's we have the previous very good long trends. Okay, NZD Cad sell signal, the market is down. So guys, this is how the market works, and this is how you can take your trades according to the 15 minute chart. And if you want to do scalping, then guys, you have to go to the 5 minute chart. Okay guys, so if you want to get the copy of this indicator, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can contact through Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are provided in the description of this video below. You can also request for 3 days free trial for your live or demo account. It's your choice. And in the start, we are giving the trials for your live account as well. You can try it for 3 days, indicator and EA completely for free. Thank you very much for watching this video.